Alright, hi everybody. I'm going to go back into the chair to cover a few things. And I'm going to try to do something a little different. Because I'm a complete idiot and my kids are more in tune with technology than I am, they said that when you record, you can just pause it, move to a different setup, then start recording again. So I'm going to try that. Hopefully that works. So, because this is a completely amateurish operation run by somebody who has absolutely no talent whatsoever, whenever I want there to be a pause, I'll just simply do this, and that will mean for my son who's running the camera right now to pause it, and we'll move on to the next setup, and hopefully this won't be a hot steaming pile of garbage like it normally is. But anyway,
I hope this doesn't turn out like what you said.
Anyway, now we're gonna. I said about how you. Oh, this is really loose. All right. Said about when you drill the through mortise, you have to drill through both sides, and you do that as a way of eliminate any potentials of wobble or lean. So first you just start and go down about what you feel is about halfway. Alright, and it takes some practice. Trust me, I haven't inadvertently drilled through way too many of these. So, if you want to do a center line so you know where to put your lead point, so you don't do what I just did and actually get over your line a little bit. You can. And now once that's done, take it out of the bench hook, flip it over. Up. Well, I was really off that one. There we go. All the way through on that. Well, I really messed up on this one. Alright, once you're all the way through, it's going to be a matter of chiseling out the waste. Now, let me find. I need to find two things. I need to find my safety glasses because I am chiseling, and when you chisel, pieces fly, and you always want to do safety first. Oh, wow, I really screwed that one up. What did I say? Hot steaming pile of garbage. Alright. Up with the line. Okay. Now you see we have a split starting here, so I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to get my 3/4 inch chisel. I'm just going to start tearing down because we don't want that crack to spread. Popped up. Let me just find one edge to line it up with and just chisel it out just like that. Okay. It over, and you want to work on your other side, which should be a lot easier. pop that out. And just take and clear out any mess you see here. Alright, there we go. Now, we'll just take and see about... Alright, I need to clean some more out. Didn't get quite to my line. So that's why we always do a test fit. Okay. And now, since there's so little to take off, I'm not even going to bother using the chisel. I'm just going to pare. I mean, yeah, I'm going to use the chisel. I'm not going to use the mallet. Alrighty. And that it's good. It's good. Alright. And my mess up is hidden back here. That's why the old cabinet makers from England used to say best face to London. Alright. Now, I'm going to do this real fast. We're going to cut the top tenon for the front leg. And it's just like cutting any other tenon. I'm going to start on a diagonal. That way you can see both lines at the exact same time. And I'm using, this is rip filed. I actually using my rip and cross cut tenon saws. It just makes it so much easier. It's because I'm impatient. Doing the old two-handed thing. Make sure I'm good. Okay, now let's do. Okay, there we go. We're good. Alright. Now, I'm just going to put a little bit of an angle here. And that will just makes it easier to slap together whenever we get to that point. And I have no lines drawn because it really doesn't matter. You don't need a heavy angle and you don't really need it to be for anything. This is just to aid in piecing it together. Alrighty. And even though this is a rip cut, I'm not going very deep. Just going to... There we go. There we go. Alright. And now I'll take it over here. Oh! Well, that was unfortunate.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, well. There we go. Alright. Well, that's something I need to fix then. I'll be going to loose for a dowel then. And then you'll just, I'll take, if you just have one, like I said, that's fine. I'm using two. This is why I'll cross cut. And just fall down. I'm using a bench hook. We can go over how to make one of those then. Super simple. And they really help in end grain planing and in sawing. But if you just clamp it down, that'll work. Okay. Alright. Next. Yeah, we'll do this. We're going to work on cutting a curve. Now, I already have this laid out, and I believe I went over it last time. So, yeah, you know what? I think we'll just call it there. We'll try the editing later. But yeah.
R.I.P. little buddy.
One final thing. Now, remember last time I said first lay it out because your total depth of your tenon is going to be 1 inch. Then take your T-bevel and lay it out. Now you want to go to where you're at your lowest because that's where, like I said, you want your maximum depth. Then you'll draw your line and for your angle. And then this one actually comes down 1 inch. So this whole area will be cleaned. And yeah, it'll just be a matter of sawing with the line, sawing. It's just sawing to a line. It's just one's angled. And for here, I went over how it's set back about 1/2 inch. This is super simple. This is old school, like old school. I know it's a 1/2 inch curve because that's what the directions say. So what I do is I just move this can. It's a 2-inch can until I'm just touching on the lines. Then and there, that's my lines. I'll saw those out and smooth it with my I'll do a spoke shave because I have one, but you can do it with the block plane. And if you don't have a block plane, you can even use a chisel, but the block plane was something I said to put in your toolkit. Okay, well, that's that. So I will not be working on editing and using the pause feature on this video. That will come when I fix this. And I was going to keep it a surprise, but after this, I'm going to be doing planter boxes to complete the outdoor patio set. And that will be our first experience with building a box. Then after that, this is what I'm planning on. Building a new workbench. And we're going to be going for here. The super bench. So, and that'll combine everything that we've done so far. Because a workbench is nothing more than a table, but because this has drawers in it, that's going to be a box. Drawers are boxes. So, we'll get the experience of making those with the planter boxes we're going to make next. And I'll go more into depth when I actually get to the workbench and why I decided to make a new one. But, yeah, so. Yeah, I know, this channel sucks. I suck. But I'm having fun. And you know what? I'm going to be dead in a couple decades, so. Yeah, and in about 5 billion years, the sun's going to expand, destroy the entire Earth, and then the Milky Way is going to take and hit the Andromeda, going to collide with the Andromeda galaxy, and eventually the entire universe is going to disintegrate anyhow. So, in the end, none of this crap matters. So, have a great day, and I will see you next time.
R.I.P. little bench thing.